Yes, guys, welcome to the section 3 of Forex Introduction to Forex. This is Kolawole Samson once again, and I'm really happy to see you guys in this course today again. God bless you. Don't forget, you have to learn before you earn. That is our motto. Learn and then remove the hell to earn. So this session, we are going to be learning the 3 types of currency pairs. Yeah, there are 3 major type of currency pairs that we need to know, and we need to know exactly the important one that we need to be trading, especially as a new forex trader. Talking to the new forex trader now, especially the new forex trader, there are some particular for currencies that you need to put in your watch list, because they are not that volatile, and they are volatile as well, but they are not that volatile, and they are in the middle. You get right? They are in the middle. So let's get to this course, guys. Now, we have 3 types of categories of currency pairs. Let's start from the top. Major currency. Why there are potentially lots of currencies you can trade as a new forex traders, you will probably start trading with the major currencies. The major currencies. They are called major currencies because they are the most heavily, put that word in your mind, heavily traded currencies, and represent some of the world's largest economies. Now, there are 3 categories of currency pairs. We have the majors, the crosses, and then the exotics. Now, the major currency pairs always include the US dollar. They always include the US dollar, and they are 8 in numbers. This is them. When you look at this illustrator, we have CAD, Canadian dollar, we have GBP, the Great British Pound, we have Euro, which is the European Euro, we have USD, which is United States dollar, we have Japanese yen, which is JPY, we have AUD, which is Australian dollar, we have CHF, which is Swiss francs, and we have NZD, which is New Zealand dollar. Now, these are major currency pairs. We count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 in numbers. The major pairs we have, there are 8 in numbers. Now, the crosses pair. The crosses pair do not include the US dollar, but include all the other major pairs. Crosses that involves any of the major currencies are also known as minor. Put that in mind. Now, all these CAD, GBP, Euro, JPY, AUD, CHF, NZD, minus USD, all these 7, pairing them together like GBP, Euro, CAD, GBP, or Euro JPY, or AUD NZD, or CHF JPY, all these pairing them together minus USD, they are called the crosses pair or minor pair. Now, the exotic pairs. The exotic pairs consist of one major currency and one currency from an emerging market. For example, let's say Nigerian currency is NGN, right? I mean, Nigerian currency /USD. Those are exotic currency pair. Let's say France CFA /USD. Those are exotic currency pairs. These kind of pair, I don't even encourage you to go for them because they are very volatile. When we are talking about volatile, it means that something is very heavy, very heavy. You are still going to get to them. You're going to get to them. Now, crosses currency pair, they are not that volatile as well, but they are sluggish. They are slow. You see. But the major one you should be trading, you should be looking at is the major currency, which are these. So let's just get straight. Let's get to it. I don't want this session to be long. Let's get to it. And then you see the cheat. You can actually write them down. This is the major currency pair, which is the Euro USD, the USD JPY, the GBP USD, the USD CHF, the AUD USD, USD CAD, and NZD USD. These are major currency pairs that you should put in your watch list if as a complete beginner. Don't worry, I'm going to give you as a complete beginner currency pairs that you should actually put in your watch list that you should be trading. But even if I did not give you, make sure that the major currency pair is what you want to trade. Now, this is the cross currency pair, which involve the 7 other major currency pair, but excluded US dollar. So this is them. You can see them: Euro GBP, Euro JPY, Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro CHF, Euro NZD, GBP JPY, AUD JPY, Euro JPY, NZD JPY, CAD JPY, CHF JPY, GBP Euro, GBP JPY, GBP AUD, GBP CAD, GBP CAD. You can say GBP CAD, you can say GBP CAD, you can say GBP CHF, GBP NZD, AUD NZD, AUD NZD, AUD CHF, AUD CAD, NZD CAD, NZD CHF, CAD CAD. These are cross currency pairs. Now, these are the exotic pairs. You can see them: USD CRY, I don't even know Turkish lira, USD SEK. So these ones, don't even go into them. Don't even go into them. Don't even try it. Don't even go into them. Just go with a major currency pair and then a cross currency pair as a complete beginner. So that is it for this course, guys. Try to put them down. Try to put them down, list them so you can put them on your watch list. The major currency pairs. Don't forget, the major currency pairs are the most traded currency pairs in the world. The major currency pairs. The cross currency pairs are also traded, but they are not that volatile. They are not really that volatile, and then they are kind of sluggish. You see, and why the exotic pairs are very, very volatile. Any small news like this will boom. Or when you open them like this, your lot size will be your lot size will be very, very, the ask price that your broker is asking will be very, very wide. So you don't I don't encourage you to go into exotic pairs. The major one I want you to go into as a complete beginner is the major currency pairs, guys. This is the end of today's section on the 3 types of currency pair. So what is the next on our section, which is market participants? Who are those that actually trade Forex? We are going to be knowing them in the next section. Stay blessed, guys. Have a wonderful Forex journey. Yes, trading is a journey. It's not a job. It's a journey, like a lifetime story. Yes. So don't forget our motto: learn first and then remove the hell, then you can aim. God bless you guys. Take care.